Unraveling the World of Scripting Languages. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that bridges the gap between technology and language: scripting languages. Whether you're new to computer programming or just curious about how digital applications work behind the scenes, understanding scripting languages is a step towards demystifying the digital world. So, let's explore together what scripting languages are and why they're so crucial in the realm of computing. Scripting languages are a type of computer programming language designed for integrating and communicating with other programming languages. Unlike traditional programming languages, which require a lengthy process of writing, compiling, and running, scripting languages are designed to automate tasks quickly and efficiently, often with just a few lines of code. Key characteristics. Interpreted. Scripting languages are usually interpreted, meaning they are executed line by line by an interpreter, which translates them into machine language at runtime. High level. They are considered high level because they are closer to human languages and further from machine languages, making them easier to read and write. Dynamic. They often support dynamic typing, where the type of a variable is allowed to change over time, offering flexibility in how data is handled. There are several scripting languages, each with its unique features and use cases. Here are a few popular ones. Python, known for its readability and simplicity. Python is widely used for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. JavaScript, the backbone of web development. JavaScript is used to create dynamic and interactive websites. Ruby, favored for its elegant syntax. Ruby is often used in web development, especially with the Ruby on Rails framework. PHP, a server-side scripting language. PHP is used to develop static or dynamic websites or web applications. Scripting languages have a wide range of applications, making them indispensable in today's technology-driven world. Web development, creating dynamic web pages and server-side scripting. Data analysis and visualization, automating data processing and generating insights from large datasets. Automating tasks, simplifying repetitive tasks like file management, system administration, or testing software. Game development, scripting in-game logic and behaviors. We hope this journey through the world of scripting languages has illuminated their importance and versatility in the digital age. Whether you're looking to dive into web development, data science, or just want to automate some of your daily tasks, learning a scripting language can be a powerful tool in your arsenal. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, the world of technology is vast and always evolving, so keep exploring and learning. Until next time, happy coding!